You've spent 14 years serving your country and 20 years managing diabetes. Before we talk about your recent health journey, can you describe what life was like when you depended on insulin and metformin every day?
Hello, my name is Guillermo Rustia, and my friends and family call me Bombi. And I am a veteran of the U.S. Navy for 14 years, and I have been a diabetic since I was 45 years old, which is about 2005 until now, 2026. I started with metformin when I was first diagnosed in 2005, and eventually by 2011 I was prescribed to take insulin, and the first one was this, which they call Olantus, and it's a once a day since it's considered a long-acting insulin. So additionally, I was told to take this other insulin, which they call Novolog or Aspart. And this one you take whatever dosage that the doctor gives you 15 minutes before your meal. So if you eat 3 times a day, you take this shot 3 times a day too. So with the metformin, I decided to stop taking metformin in 2017 or 2018 because after a little research here and there, I pretty much found out that any medication, any drugs has a side effect. So I had a friend that made a recommendation for me to try since I decided to stop medication, and he tried to recommend me this supplement that they call MetaCharge. So when I started this about I think it was the beginning of June 3rd, when it was introduced to me. I took 2 caplets before breakfast, 2 before lunch, and 2 before dinner. So that's a total of 6 caplets a day. And a bottle has 60 caplets. So this bottle I can finish in 10 days. So I have to finish, or I have to take 3 bottles to last me for a month. And by God's grace, I was so glad that the results that I got from my blood sugar readings was definitely in the normal range, like in the hundreds. Because before my readings was over like 288 to close to 400, and sometimes it goes over 400. So I'm not saying that this is the only reason why my blood sugar changed, but it helped me a lot. Because believe it or not, you have to make a change in your diet. If before I used to have coffee with cream and sugar, now I just take coffee black. Rice, I eat rice in every meal that I have, whether breakfast, lunch, dinner, even midnight snack. So in dinner, I eliminated rice, and it gave me a big difference in my sugar reading as well, and even in the way you feel. You don't feel sluggish. Because if you have too much sugar, I'm telling you, you're gonna feel sluggish. You're gonna feel tired. You're gonna feel sleepy. It's so easy to fall asleep. And then in the middle of the night, you cannot have a straight sleep because you wake up in the middle of the night like 2 or 3 o'clock to use the bathroom. And then I have to have a bottle of water right beside my nightstand because you get dry throat and you get thirsty, so you need water. And it doesn't matter what time of the day, because you need water, you eventually have to go to the bathroom as many times as you need. So a lot of things that you have to make as far as changes in your diet, in the things you do, if you want to avoid medication and use supplement, it's very possible. And a little exercise, even if it's just walking around the block, even 2 or 3 times a week, is already a big change for anyone. So I'm not saying that this supplement is going to cure your diabetes. No, that's not what I'm saying. But it helps a lot in helping you control your blood sugar. So I recommend using MetaCharge as part of your daily supplement or your daily intake. I'm not saying that this can cure, but it will definitely help your control your blood sugar. So MetaCharge will be part of my daily life, and I hope you would too. Thank you.